In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections right away. Then choose More Connection Settings and tap on Printing. Finally, select the default print service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so just click on yours and make sure this switcher is blue. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. If you still can't connect though, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Choose Add Printer and use one of those options. If your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, click on this switcher here. And if nothing is happening, like in my case, it's a current bug on Samsung devices, go back and try again until you see this pop-up. Tap on Allow. Click on Find Wi-Fi direct printers and let your Samsung to find yours. You can also just tap on Add Printer by IP address, import it here and connect it manually by clicking Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!